view over there. That's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Les guy on YouTube. That is one good-looking tractor and grain cart. Hello YouTube, it is Farmhand Mike bringing you an action-packed video from the land of Lincoln. I am out near the town of Butler, Illinois with Justison Farms as they are harvesting their 2021 winter wheat crop. In this video, you're going to see their Fendt Ideal 9T combine with a MacDon FD 145 flex draper head, a versatile Delta Track 610 tractor pulling a new J&M X1312 grain cart on tracks, and also in this video, they are chasing the combine with their Fendt 1050 tractor pulling a John Deere N530C drill, double cropping soybeans right into this wheat stubble. Also in the video, you'll see in the background their John Deere 8370R tractor with LSW tires hooked to a Brent 1082 grain cart. Later on in the video, you're going to see a nice fleet of trucks that belongs to the farm. But anyways, got a lot going on in this video, and I got here just in time because it started raining about an hour after I got here, and I was lucky to get the footage I got. One storm had come through and just kind of broke up right around this field. Lucked out there, but the second round, we weren't so lucky. The Fendt Ideal combine and MacDon draper head in this video, as well as the versatile 610 Delta Track, come from Coons Equipment out of Gibson City, Illinois. This farm has a few versatiles. They also have a Delta Track 550 and a wheeled 575 four-wheel drive. I did video this combine last year as they were cutting soybeans. I got there one evening, got to see it for a little bit, and they liked it so much they actually ordered a second one. So you never know, good chance I could get back here in the fall and catch these guys harvesting some fall crops. I do have some other YouTube videos from this farm on my channel from last year. I did catch their versatile 610 Delta Track pulling their versatile Fury high-speed disc. That was a 40-foot disc they're pulling behind that. Also filmed that 1050 and John Deere drill last year planting some conventional soybeans and so forth, and got a little bit of their 575. I will put the link to that video with the Delta Track and the Fury at the end of this one. But I must say, that is one good-looking tractor and grain cart, and that combine running right beside it, that's just a nice matchup. Should make for a good YouTube video. What do you think? I've had people ask on some of my other wheat harvest videos why some farms don't bale the wheat straw. Well, naturally, if it's a livestock farmer, they're going to bale it for bedding and so forth. Some guys will bale it and sell the straw out of the field, but I talked to quite a few farmers that say that straw is worth more putting it back on the field for organic matter than it is to actually sell it. Of course, if you're a livestock guy using it for bedding, you're going to eventually be putting it back on the field in another form. This farm has a pretty cool lineup of equipment. They got a good mix of a little bit of everything. They even have 3 Heston stack hands back at one of their old cattle farms parked in the barn. I had to go check those out while I was here. Although we all got rained out today, I did get enough footage to make a pretty decent video, so I got lots of good aerial shots, on the ground shots, and got some shots from on the combine. And it worked out about perfect. They was able to get the field done, get everything moved out of the field and back to the home farm before it started raining. And I mean, they just made it. That's going to do it for this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Feel free to comment below and hit that like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And remember, you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting my social media.